Did you know you can edit videos on Android using Google Photos? Here's how. Open the Google Photos app on your device. Select the video you wish to edit and tap on it to open. Tap the edit icon at the bottom of the screen. Trim the video in the first tab by dragging the sliders to set the start and end points. Go to Adjust for customizations like brightness, contrast, and more. Tweak these settings to enhance your video. Explore filters and choose one to change the mood. You can also press presets and make your video zoomed or in slow-mo. I really recommend you to go through all the tabs and experiment with them. Save your edits by tapping the Save Copy button. Now your video looks better. Once your video is enhanced, tap on the share icon to send it directly to friends via apps like WhatsApp, email, or social media. Subscribe for more simple tips.